Hello guys and welcome back here on the channel on Transalp Explorers. In today's episode I will present you day 12 from our Corsica trip, April 2023. But first of all, welcome to the future, because now when I'm recording this video it is 24 June. We are now in Albania in our next motorbike trip. And now I am editing this episode, day 12 from our Corsica trip. The problem is that when we left from Denis, from Italia, from Cremona to Austria, to Ludwighaus, our accommodation, in that night I had made a time-lapse with a GoPro, and normally after that I had to download all the footage from my GoPro in the laptop. But unfortunately I made an error and I downloaded only the photos without video. So all the footage from the day 12 is lost. In this episode I will show you only from the pictures, and I have some footage that I made with this GH5 Panasonic camera, and I have some sound recordings from my Rode Wireless Go 2. I hope you will like it. It will be something shorter. That's it, it happens sometimes. We let Denis to go to work, and now we left for Lago di Garda. We have until there 100 kilometers. We are now at the left side of the Lago di Garda at the SS 45 bis road, and we have very nice landscapes, a lot of tunnels, and we started to climb up the Strada della Fora, very narrow road and quite steep in some points. Very nice views, a lot of small tunnels, and we have 5 kilometers to the top.
Look guys at this view, amazing. Let's go. We have a long route today.
350 kilometers.
Exactly.
Don't waste the time. Come on, come on. We stopped for a little break here at this Spar. We are now very close to the border to Austria. We have crossed now the border between Italy and Austria, and from here we have 140 kilometers to our accommodation. Now we are going towards Innsbruck. The weather is very nice, sunny, a little bit cold, around 10 degrees here on the valley. We have only 20 kilometers and we arrive in Innsbruck. And look here guys, what a view we have in front of us. What a landscape with those mountains covered in snow. It's just wow. Wow and wow and again wow. We have such a nice weather. 1 hour ago in the mountains we had 9 degrees, and now after we left Innsbruck we have 20 degrees. Very warm outside. A lot of people are in t-shirts. We had turned left now on the road 165, and we start now climbing. We have to go over this hill somewhere on top. where we already see some snow with mountain peaks. I guess we climb at a very nice altitude. And here on the right side we can see the slopes. Today we have done a lot of climbing uphill and downhill on some nice beautiful mountain roads. I think our accommodation, it will be somewhere down in the valley. And we arrived at our accommodation in Austria at Ludwighaus from Neukirchen I don't know, Grossweindir something. It is very close to Grossglockner. It's a very nice location.
Nice.
If you have way to ride in that area, you have go there. We paid 65 euro per night. It's a very nice location, accommodation. The whole area, it's beautiful. You are in the heart of the Alps of Austria. We hope that you like this strange episode. That's all that I managed to make from our footage, our audio recordings. There's some photos that we have from that day. For us it's enough because we have some memories.
Yeah.
That's okay. The next episode I will make the end of this trip. It will be day 13 and 14 in the same episode. It will be our way from Austria to Hungary, and that's all that we have.
I hope you like it.
If yes,
leave us a like, a comment, subscribe to our channel, and we have
some new
shirts
from my brother and from his wife Moni. Thank you,
Thank
Moni.
Nice.
Don't forget to help us to grow this new channel. It's very important for us.
Thank
Bye.
you guys.
Ciao.
Bye.